In each of the exercises 7 to 15, find the equation of the hyperbola satisfying the given conditions. Next question. Since coordinates of foci are 0, plus or minus 13 and the conjugate axis is of length 24 units. Solution. Since foci of coordinates 0, plus or minus c are 0, plus or minus 13, therefore c is equal to 13. Since the length of conjugate axis 2b is equal to 24, therefore b is equal to 12. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get 169 is equal to 144 plus a square. This implies a square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is y square divided by 25 minus x square divided by 144 is equal to 1. Next question. Coordinates of foci are plus or minus 5, 0. The transverse axis is of length 8 units. Solution. Since foci whose coordinates plus or minus c, 0 are plus or minus 5, 0, therefore c is equal to 5. Since the length of transverse axis 2a is equal to 8, therefore a is equal to 4. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get 25 is equal to b square plus 16. This implies b square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is x square divided by 16 minus y square divided by 9 is equal to 1. Next question. Coordinates of vertices are 0, plus or minus 5 and coordinates of foci are 0, plus or minus 8. Solution. since vertices coordinates are 0 comma plus or minus a or 0 comma plus or minus 5, therefore a is equal to 5. Since foci coordinates 0 comma plus or minus c or 0 comma plus or minus 8, therefore c is equal to 8. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get 64 is equal to b square plus 25. This implies b square is equal to 64 minus 25 is equal to 39. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is y square divided by 25 minus x square divided by 39 is equal to 1. Seventh question. Coordinates of vertices are plus or minus 2 comma 0. Coordinates of foci are plus or minus 3 comma 0. Solution. Since vertices plus or minus a comma 0 are plus or minus 2 comma 0, therefore a is equal to 2. Since foci coordinates are plus or minus c comma 0 or plus or minus 3 comma 0, therefore c is equal to 3. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get 9 is equal to b square plus 4. This implies b square is equal to 5. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is x square divided by 4 minus y square divided by 5 is equal to 1. Next question. Coordinates of foci are plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0. The lattice rectum is of length 8 units. Solution. Since coordinates of foci plus or minus c comma 0 are plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0, therefore c is equal to 3 root 5. Since the length of Latus rectum is 8 units, therefore 2b square by a is equal to 8 units. This implies b square is equal to 4a. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get 3 root 5 whole square is equal to 4a plus a square. This implies a square plus 4a minus 45 is equal to 0. This implies a plus 9 into a minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies a is equal to minus 9 or a is equal to 5. A is equal to minus 9 is rejected. Therefore, b square is equal to 4a is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is x square divided by 25 minus y square divided by 20 is equal to 1. Next question. Vertices with coordinates plus or minus 7, 0, E is equal to 4 by 3. Solution. Since vertices plus or minus a, 0 or plus or minus 7, 0, therefore a is equal to 7. And e is equal to 4 by 3 implies c by a is equal to 4 by 3 implies c is equal to 4 by 3 into a. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get 16 by 9 a square is equal to b square plus 7 square, that is 49. This implies b square is equal to 16 into 49, that is a square value, divided by 9 minus 49. So if you take 49 common, then you will get 16 by 9 minus 1 using distributive property. This is equal to 49 into 7 all divided by 9 is equal to 343 divided by 9. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is x square divided by 49 minus y square divided by 343 divided by 9 is equal to 1 implies x square by 49 minus 9 into y square divided by 343 is equal to 1. Next question. Coordinates of foci are 0, plus or minus root 10 and equation is passing through the point with coordinates 2, 3. Solution. Since foci 0, plus or minus c are 0, plus or minus root 10, therefore c is equal to root 10. Using c square is equal to b square plus a square, we get b square is equal to c square minus a square is equal to 10 minus a square, say number 1. Since foci lies on y-axis, therefore equation of hyperbola must be of the form y square divided by a square minus x square divided by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, let y square divided by a square minus x square divided by b square is equal to 1. Say number 2 be the equation of hyperbola. Since equation 2 passes through the point with coordinates 2, 3, therefore 2 implies 9 by a square minus 4 by b square is equal to 1. This implies 9 by a square minus 4 divided by b square value we can write as 10 minus a square. From 1 we have substituted is equal to 1, right as it is. This implies 9 into 10 minus a square minus 4 a square is equal to a square into 10 minus a square. This implies 90 minus 9a square minus 4a square is equal to 10a square minus a raised to the power 4 implies a raised to the power 4 minus 23a square plus 90 is equal to 0. This implies a square minus 18 into a square minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies a square is equal to 18 or a square is equal to 5. If a square is equal to 18, b square is equal to 10 minus 18 is equal to minus a, rejected. If a square is equal to 5, b square is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, required equation of hyperbola is y square divided by five minus x square divided by 5 is equal to 1.